Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of is on the application of Google Wallet. You will go to settings, here in this page of settings, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking.